Hey everybody. So let's say you installed the MMI Prime interface to get access to things like wireless Apple CarPlay. The MMI Prime interface comes with a plug-and-play harness from BimmerTech, in which case certain chassis styles have to swap over a fiber optic cable behind the head unit for the system to work properly. Stay tuned to learn how. This is BimmerTech's Digital Shorts. Here are the tools that we recommend. If you're interested in more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Let's get things started. Getting a closer look at the back of the head unit, there's a quad lock for the harness that we want to take out. Once it's loose, slide the lock down and pull out the connector. With this specific chassis style, there are two green fiber optic cables that we need to free out from the OEM harness to connect to the BimmerTech harness. To start, just remove any cable wrapping that's there, keeping in mind you're going to have to put it back. Pull out the green fiber wire, and then wrap the other cables back up. With that done, now I'm going to show you how to loosen the clip to release the fiber optic cables. Using a tiny screwdriver or a precision pick tool like this one, carefully pry up on the locking clip and then pull out the fiber optic cable. You want to be careful because in some instances you can snap the clip. Piece of cake. Now let's grab the BimmerTech wiring harness jumper and connect the fiber optic cables. These fiber optic cables will plug into the exact same position that they were in the OEM harness. Making sure the orientation is correct, just push it into the harness and you'll hear a little click. Piece of cake. Let us know in the comments section what are the videos you guys would like us to make. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.